Hi guys, Mike here from Clearview once again. Today we're going to remove the cameras from the NP300 mirror. You need to remove this cap, take that off. The camera is in the bottom of the mirror, as you can see. We need to mark the orientation, which is what we've done here. And that mark there, you put that closest to the mirror glass, so that when it goes in, it gives you the correct orientation when you look at the camera. So Jay's going to take this out. He's been doing these mirrors now for a long time, so he does them a lot quicker than what I do. So come on, Jay, let's do this. Put it there underneath that camera as well. So we're going to start by removing the chrome cover off the mirror. You need a soft tool. It's just a case of working your way around. Once that's off, we're going to remove the wiring for the camera. And if you have a close look at it, that is a very similar, actually I think it's the same plug as the Land Cruisers have. And now you're going to have to remove the indicator, yeah? Or no? Oh, okay, the wire goes under the indicator. Pull the loom through underneath the indicator itself, like that. There you go. And then there's a couple of screws in the camera bracket you can see here. Jay's going to remove the bottom cover now.
So there's a clip there. Holds in here.
So everything pretty much clips in and out.
Got one here.
And then there's a couple of screws for the camera bracket.
Two screws here.
Okay, it's as easy as that. Then we fit the camera into our own bracket in the bottom of the mirror, remembering to put that mark there facing towards the glass on the camera. Easy enough. Go and do it.